I'm Jeannie Jenkins. I'm with Brookdale Place of Rock Hill. I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager. We are here today because we are doing the unveiling of our new name. Brookdale Senior Living is one of the nation's largest senior living communities, and we are one of 12 communities in the Charlotte metro area that is renaming our communities to have Brookdale in the name. And with that, and we're going to continue to provide the same quality of care that we've always in the past since 1978, when Brookdale Senior Living became a senior living solution to our community. And we're so happy to be involved with the Chamber. We have joined the Chamber for this particular reason here, to promote local businesses and community partnerships. Thank you.